Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to hire a freelancer on Fiverr but not sure how it all works? In this video, I will walk you through exactly how to place an order on Fiverr in 2025. From finding the right gig to making a secure payment, let's get started. On Fiverr, a gig is a service offered by a freelancer. Whether that's logo design, video editing, voiceovers, or even SEO help, every gig has its own pricing, delivery time, and features. So, choosing the right one is key. To find the right gig, use the search bar at the top or browse through Fiverr's categories. For example, if you need a logo, just search logo design and Fiverr will show hundreds of options. Now it's time to narrow your results. Use filters like style, modern, minimalist, vintage, etc. File format like PNG, SVG, AI, etc. Add-ons like 3D mockups or source files. You can also filter by seller label like new seller or level 1, level 2 or top rated. Language and location, budget, then set your price range. Delivery time from 24 hours to a week or more. Click on a gig to see its basic, standard, and premium packages. Each package may offer different services like the number of revisions, faster delivery, or more features. Scroll down and read the gig description thoroughly. Look for what's included, what's not, and any important terms. Some gigs offer unlimited revisions, others don't. So check the fine print. If you have questions, click Contact Seller or Contact Me tab. You will see their typical response time and online status. So you know when to expect a reply. Note that you will need to log in or create a free Fiverr account to message them or place an order. Once you are confident, just select the package you want and click continue to complete your order. Fiverr holds your payment in escrow until the work is delivered. So your money is protected. If this helped you, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech and freelance tutorials.